Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Roselyn, your friend in the kitchen. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I cook the Peranakan spicy noodle soup. Yes, Peranakan means they are an ethnic group of people who lived in Malaysia and Indonesia, including Singapore. By the way guys, they are Chinese from 14th to 16th century. So this dish is, I think it's a combination of Chinese, Malay, Indonesian, including Singapore. So including Singapore, why? Because Singapore was part of Malaysia before, and you all know I worked in Singapore for 10 years and I miss this soup, so I'm going to cook a Singapore Laksa. Yes, so this dish is very quick. It's because I'm going to use the ready-made Singapore Laksa Paste that I bought from TNT if you're watching from Canada. So it's an Asian store. It's because I couldn't find, I can make my homemade Singapore Laksa Paste, but I couldn't find, it's hard to find the galangal. So galangal is one of the spices that is used to make Singapore Laksa. So galangal is a type of, it's a family of ginger. It looks like a ginger and it's white or pinkish, something like that, but the flavor is totally different from the ginger. So yeah, so that's the reason why I use the ready-made Singapore Laksa Paste, and it's very quick. It's very quick if you guys prepared all the ingredients in advance, do the cutting and the cleaning before you cook the laksa, so it will only take 10 to 15 minutes to cook. So it's really good for those of you who are working and you don't want to spend hours in the kitchen. So and also it's good, this soup is good for winter time. Yeah, if you find this dish interesting, please keep watching. can tell this one I think is spicy enough for me. So I just use the normal temperature. I don't really measure, guys, and just estimate. Right, so let's wait until it's boiled and add in our coconut milk. So for the meantime, I'll just put the lid on. I'll wait for maybe 1 minute to 2 minutes until it's boiled again. Alright guys, it's already boiling. So we're gonna add in our coconut milk. Actually, there's an instruction in that packet of Singapore Laksa Paste. So let's just add in our coconut milk. Like my water are not really, it's not enough, I think. I'm gonna add in more water to it. Okay, let's put the lid on, and once it's boiled again, we're gonna add in our tiger prawns or shrimp and our tofu. Alright, so it is boiling now, so let's add in our prawns. I love seafoods, guys, because my place in Philippines is just near to the sea, and my dad was a fisherman, so I used to eat fish every day at home. And also let's add in our tofu. This is a kind of twist recipe. I am not sure if the authentic recipe is using tofu, but I know they use some of it. They use fish cakes, and I couldn't find fish cakes here, so I just use tofu. Right, so boil it for 1 minute, and then let's add in some of the ingredients. Alright guys, let's add in the noodles. So this is very quick. I like to add in the noodles to absorb so that the noodles itself has its flavor. Okay, and then this is very quick. It's because the noodles is cooked. So we just add in our bean sprouts. This bok choy, add in the bok choy and the bean sprouts. So these one are not really, it's very fast to cook this. It's like you're blanching the bok choy and the bean sprouts. And again, my soup cooks not much. I mean the water. Okay, I might add in more water to it. There. Alright guys, let's cover it and simmer for 2 minutes. Alright guys, so after a few minutes our laksa is ready. Alright guys, our Singapore laksa is ready to serve. So it only takes 10 minutes to cook this dish. This is one of my favorites. And this laksa dish is quite famous in Singapore. Okay guys, that's for tonight. It was very quick, wasn't it? If you like this video and want to try this recipe, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do consider subscribe and press the notification bell for you to get updated for more upcoming videos from me. So thank you so much and have a lovely night. Bye bye.